Wrinkles can be reduced with natural ingredients, and today we will talk about clove, which is considered a powerful anti-aging remedy. Cloves contain a compound called eugenol, which fights free radicals that make the skin look old and wrinkled. Collagen is the protein that keeps our skin tight and youthful, and clove helps protect collagen. Dry skin often makes wrinkles look more visible, but clove oil helps keep the skin hydrated and nourished. Take 1 teaspoon of cloves and put them in a mortar and pestle. The next ingredient is rice. Rice has been trusted for centuries as a skincare ingredient. It contains vitamins, minerals, and amino acids that keep the skin healthy. Rice is well known for brightening and whitening the skin because it has natural sun-protecting agents that help reduce tanning. It is also very effective for wrinkles and fine lines as it supports collagen production and keeps the skin firm. Rice water works like a natural toner. It tightens the pores, softens the skin, and protects it with antioxidant properties. It slows down the aging process and brings a natural glow to dull skin. Now, add 2 teaspoons of rice into the mortar and pestle. Grind the cloves and rice together, but do not make a very fine powder. Keep it slightly coarse. You can also use a blender, but remember not to make it too fine. Friends, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you never miss out on more natural beauty and wellness tips. Your support means a lot and keeps me motivated to bring you more useful home remedies. Thank you for watching. My friends, let me know in the comments which country you're watching my videos from. I'll be so happy and grateful to know where my lovely viewers are joining me from. Next, add the clove and rice into a saucepan. Pour in 1 cup of water. Now, place the saucepan on low heat and let it simmer for 10 to 12 minutes. As it cooks slowly, the goodness of rice and clove will release into the water. This makes the liquid very powerful. It helps to reduce wrinkles, fine lines, and other signs of aging, while making the skin look young and glowing. Friends, before trying any remedy, always do a patch test first. Apply a little on the back of your ear or on a small area of your skin to check for any reaction. Not every skin type reacts the same, so this step is very important. Once the mixture is reduced to half a cup, switch off the flame. Now, place a cotton cloth on top of a clean glass bowl, then place a strainer on it. Pour the mixture through so that the water and the leftover clove and rice separate. Do not throw away the rice and clove mixture. We will use it later for another face mask recipe. The water that we collected is very beneficial. It works like a natural toner for the skin. When used after washing the face, it reduces open pores, prevents dryness, and adds a fresh glow. Let this liquid cool down completely. Now, take the leftover clove and rice mixture and keep it aside in a clean bowl. We will be using it in the next recipe. Finally, we will need 1 cup of rose water. It naturally hydrates the skin and keeps it soft and supple, which is very important for youthful-looking skin. Rose water is also rich in antioxidants that help fight free radicals, slowing down the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Its cooling and soothing effect reduces redness, irritation, and puffiness, making the skin look calm and refreshed. Another great thing about rose water is that it helps maintain the skin's natural pH balance, which means it keeps the skin barrier strong and healthy. When combined with clove and rice, rose water enhances the glow, adds a refreshing touch and leaves the skin looking radiant and firm. Once the clove and rice water cools down, add it to 1 cup of rose water. Mix them well, and your magical toner is ready. Transfer it into a spray bottle so you can easily spray it on your face. If you don't have a spray bottle, you can keep it in any clean container and apply it using cotton. Spray or apply this toner every morning and evening after washing your face. It will refresh your skin, tighten the pores, and keep your skin glowing all day. Now, let's move on to our next remedy, which is a creamy face mask. For this, take the cooled cloves and rice that we had set aside and put them into a blender. Add 2 teaspoons of flax seeds. Flax seeds are full of omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants that deeply nourish the skin and keep it soft, plump, and hydrated. They help in reducing dryness, smooth out fine lines, and improve skin elasticity, which makes the skin look younger. Pour in a little clove and rice toner, which we made earlier, or you can use plain water. Close the lid and blend everything until you get a smooth, creamy paste. Take this paste out into a clean glass bowl. Add 3 teaspoons of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel has a cooling and soothing effect that calms irritation, heals damaged skin, and fades dark spots. It locks in moisture, giving the skin a natural glow and even tone. Now, add 2 teaspoons of almond oil. Almond oil is rich in vitamin E and fatty acids, which improve skin texture, reduce wrinkles, and keep the skin supple. It also strengthens the skin barrier and protects against dryness, leaving the face radiant and healthy. Mix everything really well until it forms a smooth, creamy face mask. Together, these ingredients create a natural anti-aging solution that reduces wrinkles, firms the skin, improves texture, and leaves your face looking youthful, soft, and radiant. To use this mask, apply it evenly on your entire face and neck. Gently massage your skin in circular motions and then leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. This gives enough time for all the nutrients to be absorbed by the skin. After that, wash your face with plain water and finish by applying a moisturizer or spray the toner we prepared earlier for best results. You can use this mask 2 to 3 times a week. Store the leftover mask in a clean glass jar and keep it in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh for up to 7 days.